Hello, this is José Luis. I'm from Guayaquil, Ecuador, and this is my CS50 final project. It's called Fakey Store. It's a full-stack e-commerce web application developed in Flask. So let's now switch to the browser so I can show you a live demo and explain what the web app is about. So this is how a new user is received into the page. The backend is built with Python and Flask, and with HTML3 and a user table, he can register an account. For example, let's register one really quick. And once registered, the user can log in into their account. Once logged in, new users are automatically given a default balance of $1,000 in virtual cash, of course, fake money, and then they can start shopping. So here in the homepage, I used JavaScript to fetch data from an API and dynamically display products. The user interface is fully interactive. You can, for example, filter by categories. For example, let's see just the vehicles. Or you can use the search bar to search for a thing, for example, chicken. And if you click the See Details button, you will see a Bootstrap model showing a customized image carousel and detailed product information. And if you add a quantity, for example, 4, and add it to the cart, a session-based cart is used so the user can keep track of all the items he has bought. And the grand total is automatically calculated. So, for example, let's add another thing so you can see how this works. And let's add this for powder, quantity of 6. Let's add it to the cart. And the grand total is automatically calculated. And if you click buy now, then Python will check if we have enough cash and is going to add it to the transaction history. This is also keeping track with using a table called transactions with SQLite 3. This way, my purchases are instantly logged in my order history. I also built a refund system using an SQL query. I get the storage, and so the app calculates what I currently own, which are the things that I just bought. And for example, if I click and I want, for example, a refund for the chicken meat, and I want to return all of them, I click refund, and the cash is added back to my account. So you can see it here at funds. My current cash has gone up, and it has disappeared from my storage. And in the history, you can see the refund of the meat by the exact same amount I bought it for. So, for example, I can also return the other one for the quantity of, let's say, 3 refund, and it's added also to the history. And finally, we have here the add funds, where we can see the current cash. And for example, if I want my $1,000 back and a bit more, let's add $2,000. And now we have all the money back. So looking back, I learned so much throughout the course. I never expected that in just 10 weeks, I would go from snapping scratch blocks together to developing a full project using Python, JavaScript, SQL, and Flask. Professor Mellon's lectures were truly magistral and inspiring. The problem sets really challenged me and pushed my limits. Thank you so much for watching. This was CS50.